pagbabalik ni Miss Kylie at etong apo nagsalita na siya. Pakinggan po natin at unawaing mabuti. Spread good vibes lang po tayo Stop bashing na nandito lang po siya para pasayahin tayo.
If they get dragged into it, I just might delete this app. Artista daw ako, diba? Pwede ako i-bash kasi sanay na ako mabash. Okay, if that's what you believe. I cannot control what these people believe and think. So, I adjust to protect myself and my kids and my family. Kasi hindi lang mga anak ko yung inano nila. Tinira nila. Pati tatay ko. And I deserve it because I'm artista. Okay. I give you that. I give it to you. Sige. But I adjust. If that's your way of fixing the problem, kung ganun talaga kainit yung dugo mo sa akin, go. I respect. Do you? But sana masaya ka, diba? Sana may hangganan. Yung mga ginagawa nyo, sana maging masaya kayo doon. Because I didn't come here para manggulo sa inyo. It just happened. I didn't come here. Tapos may mga nagsasabi pa na, diba? May mga nagsasabi pa na, why is she on here? Nakakawala ng class. Do I not have a right to do what I want with my life? Sobrang introvert kong tao. I don't go out. My life is just working in momhood. So parang anong mo para, I don't come here to beg for money. If that's what you think that I'm doing, nakakapagod tong trabaho to. The people who do this every day, like Ethan and everybody, respect them, okay? Because they are working. The way that you insult me, insultuhin nyo ako. Ini-insulto nyo yung mga host na gusto nyo. So be careful what you say. Parang lahat ng sinasabi nyo, galit din kayo sa mga host nyo. Like what? Ano pa ibabato nyo sa akin? Seriously. It's a job. It's a job. So don't judge it. Sorry. It's just... It's nonsense. Nonsense talaga. And I don't even care anymore. Sige, murahin niyo pa ako. Sana maging masaya kayo sa ginagawa niyo. Hindi naman kayo nagpapakain sa akin. It's not you that I'm trying to make happy. And kung dyan kayo nababuhay, then keep hating. So, yun lang po. Yun lang. I'm not gonna stop. Sorry. I enjoy this platform too much. I made other friends than just the group you're trying to protect, if that's what you're doing. Madami akong ibang napapasaya. So, just keep going. You know? Hindi ako nagkulang sa pagsaway sa mga tao ko. And I'm not even sure na sa akin galing talaga yung mga haters nyo. Hindi tayo sure. So, tigilan nyo na ako. Tigilan nyo na ako. Panoorin nyo lahat ng video na pinagtatanggol ko rin yung host nyo. Please. Please. Tigilan nyo ako. Anyway, guys, I am gonna stop now. No, I mean, stop talking about it. Kailangan ko lang ilabas. Please don't spread hate na naman. I'm just trying to defend myself. Kasi ang lakas na loob nilang mga defend. I defend myself also. Please don't start hating or getting angry again or making an issue out of it. I want it to be done. I want it to be done talaga. I want it to stop. stop na natin. Kasi hindi yan yung way na tinuruan ako ng mga magulang ko to handle shit. Like, it doesn't make it like... At least I know, yung talagang totoong supporters ko, they're not war freaks. Hindi kami war freak. Kami ay sila pala. Masasaktan lang din sa nababasa nila. But I tell them all the time, move with love and peace. Huwag na kayong sumagot. Positive energy lang tayo, guys. Alam kong excited din yung mga taong nagsispam mo na i-battle someone. Pero iwasan natin. Go there, then tell them. Tapos alis na kayo. Huwag na kayo magstay doon. Kasi kung paulit-ulit, alam na nung tao, guys. Alam na niya. So let's not, huwag na paulit-ulit. Okay? Pasensya na. I go sa the show. Pero kailangan ko talaga sabihin, guys. I cannot come on here and pretend like I'm okay and everything's fine and, you know, tao lang din ako. Kahit artista ako. Okay? Now, ano na lang tayo? Happy-happy lang. Happy-happy lang. Spread positive vibes. Katawa talaga. Natatawa ako sa mga... Anyway. Dapat di na ako magsalita because... Katawa. Okay. Let's battle now. He's online. Getting shit. Thank you. Mga moderators ko. Nagulat siguro yan na nagsalita ako. Love you guys. Hindi na ako okay na yun. Last na yun. I will not bring it up again. But I'm really okay. Popular one. Guys, thank you. Nakakatuwa kayo. Monthsary na ba tomorrow? Monthsary namin. Nag-meet kami ni Ethan. Ano? Tama ba? Monthsary na namin bukas. Buti na lang bumalik ako. Charot. Kailan ba kami? Meeting lang po. Guys, gusto ko lang din i-klaro yun.